Relax, class. Sentry Bob, thank you for opening up this briefing. You're excused.
Be running, just off the coast then.
No, it would be a help, but it's still nice to know what we've got in gander. Now, the dotted line is your minimum flight path, Captain. We stuck below it, came out overhead, Palmer, Eli, and Parker, and joined the southernmost track here at 40 West, and then from that point on, right along the 50th parallel in Overland's End. You don't have much boost, but what wind you've got is almost directly on the tail.
Yeah.
You've got a zero wind component.
Oh, that fucking burned. Should have put the hash in here. And that concludes our flight brief. Any questions? All right. Room attitude. Hut. Carry on. Commuter 6, this is Mission Control. Comms check, over.
Mission Control, this is Commuter 6. I hear you. Leaving Charlie, over.
Roger that, Commuter 6. Stand by for controls check, over.
Mission Control, this is Commuter 6. All systems green. Ready for launch, over.
Roger that, Commuter 6. Stand by for countdown. T-minus 3 minutes until launch.
All the second stage tanks now pressurized. 35 seconds and counting. We are still go 30 seconds and
Hello.
counting.
You're not getting a single fucking dime. I'm literally in the middle of a mission. Like, why are you asking me for money? Like, I'm not buying your OnlyFans. I'm not doing anything. Like, fuck the child support. Like, I didn't get you pregnant. Like, I saw the test. Like, I'm not. Fuck. I'm about to fucking launch. Get fucked.
9. Ignition sequence start. 6.
Launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Fucking work. Archangel, this is Mission Control. Mission is a failure. Standing by for emergency action.